Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take a high resolution screenshot from your scene in Unreal Engine 5. So here you're going to click on perspective and then high resolution screenshot. Then you can easily adjust the screenshot size multiplier, which multiplies the number that you see here. Say the resolution is this much, so you can increase the resolution multiplier to, let's say, 3 for 4K, and you can hit capture. And then pop-up box comes here and says it's captured here, but if you missed it, no problem. Here we can click on any of these folders and show him Explorer to find it easier, and go to your projects folder, here saved, and then you can go and find the screenshots folder, click on it, then go to Windows Editor. It just should be there. Now as you can see, we captured and it's looking fine, but we can do more here. We can use date and timestamp as image name, so when it captured, it captures the time and date as the title of the image. Then we have the other option, which includes buffer visualization targets, and you can click on it, which you can see a bunch of created images from the engine, which shows different things like word normal, subsurface color, specular, and much more for seeing how things are in the pipeline. So these two are the most important ones that you're going to use. Another one is that you can use this crop, which I don't use it, but there's an option which you can select an area here and capture it, and it should be like this, cropped. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in other videos. Bye bye.